In this video, we change the drive letter mappings on our Windows PC. Hello everyone and welcome to TechFix Flicks. In this tutorial, we will change the letters assigned to our drives. We begin with two drives named Games and Music, mapped to E and F respectively. If we simply wish to rename a drive, we select it, then right click, select the rename option and type a new name to replace the existing label. However, it's not as straightforward to change the drive letter, and this requires disk management. We therefore right click the Start button and select Disk Management. The Disk Management window appears. Let's change the letter of our Games drive from the current E to G. We select it, then right click. We select the option to change drive letter and paths, and this dialog appears, showing the current drive letter E. We click Change. We can now click for a drop-down of unallocated drive letters, and we move from E to G. With G selected, we click OK. We are warned that any program which is dependent upon a specific binding to a drive letter may fail to run correctly. Although this problem is more prevalent on older programs and Windows versions, it's certainly worth noting that you may need to reinstall some apps. We click Yes. Our games directory is now remapped to G, and we see this reflected in File Explorer. What if we want to perform a straight swap? Here, our F drive is labelled Music, and our G drive is for Games, and we want to reverse the letters. As straight swaps are impossible, we need to use an intermediary. The process therefore transpires exactly as before, until we reach the letter assignment drop-down. Here, we need to temporarily make use of a third letter to allow the others to rearrange. We select X, although any unallocated letter can be used. In doing so, we entirely free the letter G. With that letter now available, we select our F drive, once again repeating the steps until we reach the letter assignment drop-down. As we've freed the letter G, we can now map to it. With the drive letter successfully mapped, all that remains is to perform a final mapping to allocate our games directory to the now unused F drive. We therefore select it and repeat the process, exchanging X for F. And with that, the remapping is complete. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you found it useful, please consider subscribing by clicking the logo on screen now. If you'd like to see more, there are two suggestions currently on screen. If you have a better, faster or more economical solution, let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. You're also welcome to follow us on Twitter. Until your next tech fix, goodbye.